प्रोफेशनल प्लेयरांक आपलो जॉब खबर आसता आनी त्या प्रमाण पंगडाची कामगिरी जाली अशें कोच क्लिफर्ड मिरांडा म्हणटा.
Did you foresee such a positive performance in the background of these recent developments?
I don't see any negative in the team. You know, maybe whatever is there outside the team, but within the team, inside the team, amongst the players, I could not see any sort of problems or any sort of difficulties. You know, they are professionals. We are professionals. You know, and we are being paid to do a job. And I think you could see from the performance that we were right up there.
Coach, you joined. You had been abroad and you had just joined the team probably today. So, what was the challenge to immediately gel with your unit again?
To be honest, I don't have to do much. You know, if you ask me frankly, because these players have been playing, most of them, for the last 3 years, and then for the last 1 year as well, they have been playing. Besides, Coach Derrick was there to guide them. You know, and the same thing with me. Like I said, we can't do much tactically with them because they already know how to play. We can only guide them, and that's exactly what Coach Derrick and I am doing.
इतल्या मजगती इंग्लंडांतल्यान नेमान FC गोवाक सपोर्ट करपी मिकाक सर्जिओ लोबेराक काडिल्ल्यान शॉक बसला.
And I've come over today to watch this match and cannot believe that actually Sergio has been dismissed and his contract terminated. I find that extraordinary when we're top of the league, 2 points clear, with only 3 games to go. We could qualify for the Asian Champions League. Unbelievable timing, a real distraction for the club and the players. And quite frankly, we need transparency from the owners as to what really went on. Because if you don't have fans, you don't have a football club. And these fans deserve to know what really happened.
Yes.
Come on, FC Goa, you can still do it, but that was bad timing.
Bureau Report, Prudent.